Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Right, tonight I have a fried chicken sandwich to cook for you. It is fantastic, it's great for a midweek supper or even a weekend or Friday night splodge out if you have it with chips and a salad and what have you. It's super easy to make, it is super quick to make, and it is super tasty. So if you want to know how to cook it, come along with me and I'll show you the ingredients. Okay, so for a fried chicken sandwich you need chicken obviously, and this is it. This is one medium-sized breast which I'm going to slice in two horizontally. I'm not going to bash it out with a tenderize it because I'm going to put it in in this case a panini loaf, and I don't want the chicken to be too much wider than the actual loaf itself, so it should be alright. If it's slightly too thick I might bash it a little bit, but we'll see. Put that to one side. So apart from the breast we have now this is the flour to coat the chicken in, which is obviously smoky. The idea it's a smoky dish. 3 tablespoons of flour mixed with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, plus a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper as well. And then into that we'll also have it with some 2 eggs beaten up. We'll also have a burger sauce that I make up myself. This is similar to the sauce that I made for a couple of videos ago. I made a smashed quarter pounder, so I did a similar sauce to this, but this has got slightly more chipotle in it. So it is 2 dessert spoons of mayonnaise, 1 dessert spoon of tomato ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of the chipotle paste, so make it nice and spicy and smoky. I'm going to cook it in a little bit of olive oil, and that is it. So the first thing I'll do, I'll do the chicken first, and then we'll toast the bread. Okay, hopefully the camera can pick this out. So I'm just going to slice the chicken, basically just to make 2 thinnish fillets. There we are. That's a little bit thick, but it'll be all right. I don't need to bash them down. They're thin enough for the dish that I want. So we will now get on to toasting the bread. Okay, with the pan heating up, we'll put the bread in. I have to excuse my dog, she's growling and woofing at something. Pat them down. I'm going to grill both sides, toast both sides. As I say, it's mainly inside we want to toast, so it doesn't get soggy when we put the sauce on. And that's it, that's looking good. That to one side. Okay. That's it done. Okay, as you've seen me do so many times before, we're going to put the chicken into the flour. Make sure that chicken gets a damn good coating. That's that. And the second one, this is the fillet actually of the chicken. It's starting to break off a little bit, but it'll be all right. Side. Then we get the chicken and dip it in to the egg and back into the flour. Again, just make sure you get plenty of flour on there. The second piece into the egg. Again, just coat it. as much flour on there as you can. All that's left now is to cook that chicken. Put the pan back on again, get the heat up, and off we crack. Okay, with the pan heating up again, put in a good glug of olive oil, tablespoon or so. Okay, the oil's heated up, so I'll place the chicken in. Wow, that looks good. So we'll cook those on a medium heat, about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, I'll flip them over. They haven't been cooking for 5 minutes. I think that's maybe a bit too long. So, wow. Oh my God. The flipping dish. I guess this is a little bit like southern fried chicken, only it's breast meat, obviously, rather than thigh meat or drumsticks. And there's obviously no marinating in buttermilk and the likes for about 24 hours. So it's similar sort of coating, and obviously it's gone very dark red, very dark colour because of the paprika. But no, we need that paprika to give it that smoky flavour. Okay, so time's up. They should be good for eating now. I've just tested them and they're safe enough to eat. I will switch off the heat and we will make the sandwich. Right, so first of all I will just chop up some lettuce, or shred some lettuce. Okay. I think that could be enough. Good old iceberg lettuce, eh? Put that to one side. Get our plate with our bread on. Get the sauce. Now then, I'm going to start off with plenty of this sauce on because it is absolutely delightful, this stuff. Spread it all over. Get a little bit of lettuce. A bit more. What do you think? Is that enough? I'll do for now. A bit escaped. Then we'll get the funky chicken. Oh my God. This is going to be this is going to be a lot of chicken. 2 pieces of chicken on there. Oh, they feel so good. Nice and crisp. Then we will get these 2 slices, fantastic slices of tomato. Then what do you reckon? Some more sauce on the top. You can't be shy of the sauce, can you? You've got to give it the full shebang. And then perhaps a little bit more shredded lettuce. Oh, look at that. And then put the top on. I'll press it down. Is that good or is that good? Fried chicken sandwich. Okay, my friends, I can't wait to try this, but I feel it's going to be a disaster. It's all going to fall apart. So you have to excuse me a mess. I'm going to have to stand like this. So I'm going to dig in. Oh. Didn't get much chicken there. Oh. That smokiness is just incredible. It's got quite a kick to it because of the chipotle, the amount of chipotle you put into it. But hey, that's what you want. You want it to be smoky, spicy, and just ultra tasty, which is what it is, you know. Excuse me. That is absolutely fantastic. Quite messy, but fantastic. Even better if it's messy. Give this a go and let me know in the comments below how you get on. And I'd love to hear what you have to say. Such a simple thing, such a simple dish to do. It's quick, simple, tasty. I mean, what more could you wish for? So please like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. I normally say peace and love with my right hand, but it's a bit cacked up. So peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.